Hey everyone, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this episode we're opening up quite a variety of Hot Wheels Disney character cars. We have Series 4, Series 5, Series 6, and Series 7. Each of these series has 6 different unique Hot Wheels cars based on the personalities and character traits of the Disney characters. I think the most impressive part about the character cars is the fact that no two character cars look alike. These are all completely different, they all have their unique style, which makes them a lot of fun to collect. Now, I've already opened up Series 1 and of course Series 2 and 3 in a separate video, so you guys can check those out if you want to find out more about those other models. But now for the more recent assortments, we have Series 4, 5, 6, and 7, so let's open these 24 Disney characters up and take a look at them out of the box. Number 1 out of 6 in Series 4 is a Walt Disney classic character, Donald Duck, with his white feathers, blue sailor suit, and yellow duckbill hood on the front of his truck. The second car of Series 4 is the main character of The Lion King, SIMBA, dressed up as a 4x4 truck with a flowing main front cab, spare tires in the back, ready to lead the pack.
Timon, this is Nala. She's my best friend. Friend? Yeah. Hey, Pumbaa!
Our third vehicle from Series 4 is everybody's favorite forgetful blue fish from Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. It is the character Dory, shaped like a submarine fish car.
His son Bingo, Nemo was taken to, Sydney. Yes.
Onto character car number 4 from Series 4. This one is from Aladdin. It's the shape-shifting character GENIE, who looks like a blue and gold minibus with white teeth on the front and flowing hair out the top.
"10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck." Hang on a second.
Now for character car number 5 in Series 4, this one is based on BAYMAX, the character from the movie Big Hero 6. This guy is a white inflatable robot and his car reminds me of a blimp.
Hello, I am BAYMAX, your personal healthcare companion.
Then we have number 6 out of 6 in Series 4. This one is the Disney Island Princess Moana. Her car looks like a boat with an oar on top to help her cross the ocean with the blue wheels on this car.
I said help me! And wrecking my boat? Not coming!
Starting off Series 5 with number 1, a Walt Disney Productions puppy, it's Pluto, the yellowish-orange dog whose car looks like a station wagon with a green bottom and ears for the roof rack.
Pluto! Here, boy! I want you to go to the butcher shop!
The second car from Series 5 is based on a character from Frozen and Frozen 2. It is Anna, whose car looks like a flowing version of her outfit with a convertible top to drive through the snow.
Excuse me, I climbed the North Mountain, survived a frozen heart, and saved you from my ex-boyfriend, and I did it all without powers, so...
Of course, number 3 out of 6 in Series 5 is based on another Frozen character. It is the animated snowman Olaf, whose car reminds me of a little ice cream truck with a carrot nose on the front.
Oh, I don't know why, but I've always loved the idea of summer and...
Moving on to number 4 from Series 5, this one is also from the movie Aladdin. It is the evil sorcerer JAFAR, whose car is black and red with red wheels and gold accents.
Now then, perhaps I can divine a solution to this thorny problem.
A good nickname for number 5 out of 6 in Series 5 is the Warthog Truck. This is the character Pumbaa from Lion King, whose truck has exhaust ports in place of his tusks.
to. I ate like a pig.
Pumbaa, you are a pig.
The final vehicle for Series 5 is based on the Disney Pixar movie WALL-E, and the character is WALL-E himself, whose truck is a little rusted out but features a plant growing in the trunk. To begin Series 6, we have another Walt Disney classic character. It is Steamboat Willie, whose car is a black and white hot rod vehicle shaped like a steamboat. Can't go wrong with number 2 out of 6 in Series 6. It is a fast-looking car for the Disney Princess Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Her car has a red window to match her bright red hair.
Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping.
As for number 3 out of 6 in Series 6, it is the talking cricket character from Pinocchio, Jiminy Cricket, whose car has 3 wheels and a big top hat with yellow windows to look down the road.
Why, you young hoodlum, I'll knock your block off.
Looking at number 4 in Series 6, this one is Peter Pan's archenemy, Captain Hook. The roof of his car has a flowing feather like his hat, and he has a sword on the side for a little pirate action.
Pick up Tinkerbell and bring her to me.
The 5th vehicle in Series 6 is another one from The Lion King based on Timon. This is Pumbaa's best friend and a wisecracking meerkat whose vehicle is shaped like an ATV.
What if he's on our side? You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea.
So we're keeping him?
Wrapping up Series 6 with a super character car number 6 from Disney Pixar's The Incredibles. It's the father figure Mr. Incredible, whose truck is a big bulky vehicle just like the man himself.
This sounds great! Let's get this going. What's my first assignment?
That enthusiasm is golden.
Sliding into Series 7, number 1 out of 6 is based on Disney Mulan's main character, Mulan, whose car looks as fast and powerful as she is as a character.
Ancestors, hear my plea. Help me not to make a fool of me.
Now for number 2 out of 6 in Series 7, it is based on the Little Red Crab character from The Little Mermaid, Sebastian. His car is a red classic car with a red crab shell on the back.
I'm gonna march myself straight home right now and tell him just like I could have done the minute and don't.
Time for number 3 in Series 7. This one is the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland, whose car is covered in pink and purple stripes, tail on the back, and features ears on the roof.
A Cheshire Cat. Oh, la mimsy. Oh, what a water go.
Number 4 from Series 7 is mislabeled on the front of the box as Series 6, but regardless, it is the Disney character Wreck-It Ralph, whose truck features a giant wrecking ball on top of a massive vehicle.
This is that candy go-kart game over by the whack-a-mole. I'm gonna get out of here.
For the 5th vehicle in Series 7, Hot Wheels made Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. The front cab looks like Tigger's head, and the back has his twisty tail to use as a crane or a tow hitch.
Sure I did. Everyone's scared of Tiggers. Who are you?
We are down to number 6 out of 6 in Series 7, the Hot Wheels Disney Pixar character car Jack Jack from The Incredibles, whose car is a tiny baby car with a lot of superpower.
Wow, dang. Okay, so
Check it out, guys. Those are 24 Hot Wheels Disney character cars with their own unique style, shape, colors, and personalities that make them a lot of fun to look at. One of the best parts about the Disney character cars is that every new set brings out more characters from the same movie. For example, these sets alone had a couple characters from The Little Mermaid, Aladdin, The Incredibles, The Lion King, Frozen, and even classic Walt Disney characters as well. When paired up with the characters from the first 3 sets, this is going to be a very cool collection. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.